What's up, YouTubers? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. I've been using Adobe Premiere Pro as my main editing software for my YouTube channel. Sometimes, every now and then, I will go to Final Cut Pro on my Mac, but I always use Adobe Premiere Pro as my main software for editing videos on my YouTube channel. But recently, I've been noticing a lot of problems with Adobe Premiere Pro. So today, guys, I'm going to show you on my PC some of the issues that I'm having with Adobe Premiere Pro. So get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you the example of what happens when I do with Adobe Premiere Pro. So basically, guys, let me go to start up Adobe Premiere Pro and let y'all guys see some of the issues that I'm having with the 2017 build of Adobe Premiere Pro. I started having these issues with 2016 and the earlier builds, but these are the new updates. So today I'm going to start a new project. I want you guys to see this, all right? And so I'm going to start a new project and let you guys take a peep at this. All right, so I'm going to just do a test project here with Adobe Premiere Pro and go name this one test. And what I'm going to do is, actually already, yes. All right, so what I'm going to do is I am going to show you guys a normal routine that I do when I'm doing these here. So I'm just going to take a photo here, all right, and I'm going to take another photo from another device. And this happens a lot. I'm actually doing a camera review between the Google Pixel and the LG V20. So stay tuned for that. So basically your normal routine, you drag and drop images in the workspace, all right? So basically, guys, what I'm doing here is doing my normal routine, dragging two items here. Now, when I do that, now I commence to do my editing, all right? So basically what I do is I just kind of shrink it down and go from side to side, kind of how I do this. And all of a sudden now, as you can see, I haven't even did my editing yet, and Adobe Premiere Pro crashes. All right, so as you can see, I just basically started a new project, and as I started the new project, put two photos, basically how I do my editing. I do this a lot on Final Cut Pro and Adobe Premiere Pro, and all of a sudden Adobe Premiere Pro is doing this. Now, I have uninstalled this program, reinstalled it, uninstalled it, cleared the cache and everything. So I'm running Adobe Premiere Pro number 11. And this started happening with Adobe Premiere Pro 10, but now it's really bad in Adobe Premiere Pro 11. Let's start it over again. A test project, so y'all guys can see this again. And obviously nothing saved, so right now it's nothing here. So my whole project, if I was working on a project without saving it, everything that I do is totally erased. So let me try another photo here, and let me go here and I'm gonna try another photo. And basically this is how I do a lot of my editing through Adobe Premiere Pro, but now it looks like I might have to use Final Cut Pro. I'm not sure. So let's go ahead and put it in the timeline again. And it should work, right? So I got it in the timeline, and now I want to commence with my editing. But like I say, I want to use two photos in here, even when I put them side by side. Unfortunately, one of them is upside down, no big deal. So I can always rotate this, you know, no big deal, right? But even when I'm doing, just putting two photos side by side with each other, the app crashes. So unfortunately, using photos, sometimes even videos, when I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro, it's crashing. And it just started happening. And again, I use this on multiple PCs. I've used this, I've uninstalled it, reinstalled it, uninstalled it, cleared the cache. I actually did a factory reset on one of my computers just to make sure. And it's still happening the same way. So unfortunately, I don't know if Adobe Premiere Pro is usable. I'm not sure. If you guys are having this issue, please let me know down in the comments down below. But right now, Adobe Premiere Pro doing video editing has failed me. And that's not good. For some strange reason, this is happening to multiple PCs with Adobe Premiere Pro 11 2017 version. This is the new update that I've had with Adobe Premiere Pro. I actually reached out to Adobe Premiere to see if it was something that they could do, maybe a patch or something, maybe an update, a future update that could fix this. But unfortunately, I haven't heard anything back from Adobe Premiere. So listen, I might have to switch to Final Cut Pro, but I paid a lot of money for this. I paid a lot of money for Adobe Premiere Pro, and I expect to get what I pay for. Unfortunately, I can't edit. I cannot edit my videos with Adobe Premiere because of this issue. All right, guys, so right now, Adobe Premiere Pro is a fail. I don't know what happened. I've been using Adobe Premiere Pro since I started doing YouTube. Unfortunately, Adobe Premiere Pro is a fail for me. So I'm gonna have to switch to Final Cut Pro or maybe find some other video editing software that I can use. So this is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Again, I use multiple PCs. I've uninstalled it, reinstalled it. I've done everything, all the updates, everything. And I might have to scale back to Adobe Premiere Pro 9, the version 9. That worked out pretty good for me. For version 10 and version 11, unfortunately, I'm getting multiple crashes. Even when I clear out the cache, even when I clear out everything, uninstalling it, reinstalling it, putting it on multiple PCs. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave a question down below. Let me know what you think about this failed crap that we got going on with Adobe Premiere Pro. See you guys on the next video. Peace.